Oh, honey got me hooked on.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I do this cute frontal wig install. I am under the weather, so please excuse me, but I'm going to show you guys how I get this slay look. Okay, so now that the cap is on, it's kind of flat in the back. It's not that bumpy as I thought because my hair is long. It'll do. But so now we're gonna cut through this part to get through the ears. Here. This I learned from Glamazon Tay. She's legit. I love her. And she be laying her laces, so I know it's legit. And this part really secures the end parts right here. You don't want that part to be sticking up. So, ooh, my bad. So now I'm gonna spray. Silver because it's something cheap. That'll get me by. Be careful, y'all. Don't get not on your hair. That's a no-go. That looks better. I'm gonna use this clip for the back part. And I'm gonna do a middle part today. Now we're gonna start putting the glue. The glue that I'm using is Ghost Bond. I really like them. I haven't tried boho yet, but definitely gonna start trying that because I heard the good reviews. I'll follow them. I'm trying to get up on my lace front game. Right now, I don't provide this service to my clients because I'm testing it out on myself. But I plan on soon doing it on clients and just everybody, because I just feel like this is the next big thing. Like, everybody's getting lace fronts, and I'm in Las Vegas, and there are stylists that do them, but they're not that good. And then you do have the good stylists that are really booked. So I don't know, I'm just trying to be versatile and just do everything. I don't specialize in anything but hair care, maintenance, and just braids, weaves, everything, color cuts, everything. So this is all gonna go down for 2019, so just look out. So I'm gonna start with applying the glue. First, you want to wipe it with some alcohol, of course, around the hairline. So let me get some of that. Make sure you wipe. Ooh, I put too much. Wipe it off makeup and some more. Make sure you guys wipe all of that. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my glue and I'm gonna start applying the first layer. I see some people putting it on the lace, on the stocking cap, so I'm just gonna do that to see how that goes. Maybe it'll keep the lace for keep the stocking cap from sliding. Wanna glide that baby nice and neat and flat. A flat surface, I'm learning, is the best surface, so yeah, that's a tip. So now I'm gonna let that dry. If you're impatient like me, you can just use the blow dryer. the upgrade, child. We used to do the leave outs every freaking 2 months. Like, that used to be so irritating. And my hair is really healthy now that I've been doing like protective styles. I'm a stylist, so I always preach to my clients, take care of your hair. Make sure that you take care of it in any style that you do. Do not be lazy. A lot of us women can tend to be lazy because we work, we have kids, we just don't have the time. But sometimes when you just need to take the time to treat your hair, like, I look at somebody's hair and I could tell they're lazy if their hair isn't taken care of, like nasty, broken, just don't care. Like, that's not cute, sis. Take care of your edges, take care of your hair, take care of your scalp, everything. Okay, this little part just needs to dry right there. That little part. Okay. So, I'm scared. Now, I'm gonna bring her up right there. This side and do the same thing. It might be weird because this part is all like wrinkly, but I guess that's just because the scalp part is tight. Make sure that y'all get these little hairs out the way. Y'all don't want that to be in between that glue when y'all cut it. That's not cute, sis. Okay, let me stop. So now you're gonna go in to that center part and just cut her zigzag. Just be very careful, y'all. This is just scary. I would not recommend this. Just keep it real because you never know, like, cutting it. I don't know. We seeing. Don't cut it off too much. So when you get to that part, you could just cut more if it's not enough. Sorry, y'all. I had to make sure that one part was not irritating me. I'm gonna be rocking the middle part. And I'm gonna be pressing her out. It's a lot of, not that bad shedding though. That's because I've been cutting at it, so I don't think that's that bad. It's pretty good. She's late. Hey.